Let's talk about the first alert weather. As you probably can tell if you've been outside or opened the window, it's heating up. A summer-like pattern setting up for the rest of the week. First alert meteorologist Rochelle Jay in the WJZ Weather Observatory with more on the potential for record heat. Rochelle.
Yeah, Denise, we're already in some areas 15 degrees above normal, and we've got more warming that is on the way as well. Let's go ahead and open up our windows of the observatory this afternoon. Lots of sunshine out there. We do have some cloud cover, but for the most part, those clouds are thin and just filtering the sunshine. So looking at the city of Baltimore right now, you can see a little bit of that hint of blue through some of those thin clouds. So the clouds not blocking the sunshine. So we've got plenty of it to go around. In fact, I was at my desk earlier. I walked outside and they went, whoo, because they felt that warmth that was out there for this early part of the afternoon. Temperatures right now 5 to 10 degrees warmer than where we were at this time yesterday. So out the door, it is 83 degrees in Columbia, the Inner Harbor, as well as BWI Marshall. A little cooler in Annapolis. Right now, 72 degrees there, 82 in Denton, 75 in Queenstown, and 82 right now in College Park. Westminster checking in at 79 degrees this lunch hour. We've got quiet conditions across first alert radar, a couple of showers in western Maryland, and I do think we will see a couple of showers this afternoon, maybe a storm or two. But it is a warm day out there, and it's getting even warmer in the days ahead. Denise, we're talking 90s in the full forecast.
All right, let's look at the WJZ Outback. Once again, a very warm, bright, sunny day. Rochelle, it's going to get hotter.
It is going to get hotter. We've got those winds that are coming out of the south and west, and we also have sunshine working in our favor as well. But we will have to watch out later today for a few storms that could move through. Many of us will be on the dry side. 82 degrees right now in Baltimore City, 82 also in Cockeysville right now. When we check in with Columbia and Westminster, both of those areas are also sitting very close to that 80-degree mark, if not above it, like Columbia is right now. So it is a warm afternoon with a couple more hours of warming to go as we head a little bit farther into the afternoon and going toward the evening. As far as our rain right now, not too much going on first alert radar as we're going through the 12 o'clock hour. Couple of showers well west of Baltimore. We had a storm or two move through Garrett County. Right now, it is bright out there. We do have some cloud cover overhead filtering the sunshine, but you can still feel the warmth of the sun out there if you are stepping out for lunch or maybe a midday walk. Now let's talk about our chances for storms. They are very low. I'm not looking at a whole lot of rain moving our way for today, but we could see an isolated severe storm with a level 1 out of 5 risk in place for northern areas of Maryland, right along the state line with Pennsylvania. If we do see any strong storms today, wind damage and maybe some heavy rain are possible. But other than that, maybe just a couple of spot showers here or there. Here's Futurecast illustrating just that. Our rain chance is pretty slim, but we do have the chance for a few storms later this afternoon into the evening hours and possibly early parts of the overnight. So you did see an area of a few showers or storms pushing from north to south. And again, northern areas right along the state line with Pennsylvania have that greatest chance for any storminess. Here's a look at wind gusts still coming out of the south and west, pulling in that warm air for yet another day. A slight breeziness with gusts maybe up to about 20, very manageable as far as those winds go. This afternoon across Baltimore City, we're talking mid to upper 80s. So we're approaching record highs, but I think for today, we will be falling just shy of that. Now temperatures right around the first pitch, 6:35 at Camden Yards, close to 90 degrees, and will cool down through the 80s once that sun sets a little later this evening. So heat is the name of the game today, tomorrow, and into Thursday as well. Thursday, another day we could possibly see some records, and then things will cool down. We'll have another look at the 7-day forecast coming up in just a few minutes. We'll be back with more news at noon.
Really hot then, man. I can't believe next weekend it cools off again.
You match our graphics, Denise. Look at the background.
It's a heat wave.
It's a heat wave. We've got really warm air moving in today, tomorrow, Thursday, Wednesday and Thursday. Best chances for breaking records, but we could see a few storms tonight as well.
All right, and then 60 degrees way at the end of the 7-day.